Ring accelerators require very little strength to operate and are best suited to drivers who have limited strength in their hands, where constant use of a mechanical pull accelerator could be too fatiguing. The intuitive design is easy to use, giving that familiar feeling of driving in a comfortable position with both hands on the steering wheel. Over-ring accelerators are fitted on the top of the steering wheel, while under-rings sit just behind it. They transfer acceleration from the foot pedal to a specially designed ring that offers smooth and gradual acceleration. The controls can be turned on or off, allowing acceleration to be returned to the pedals if required. They are an ideal addition to a mechanical push brake. For more information about ring accelerators, driving aids and other vehicle adaptations, speak to one of our experts by web chat, online inquiry or by phone.
Vehicle Adaptations, enabling independence. Mobility in motion.